All right, so expanding upon the theory-based products, we got some more for you. Noticed the Sling was a big hit last year.
Yeah.
So you got some more add-ons, I see.
Yeah, man. We
check this out.
The MS2, like you just said, I mean, the demand this year was absolutely insane on this thing, and it was tough because it was new for us to get into nylon somewhat, and so we decided to make an addition or make some enhancements to the MS2. And now this year we're gonna have an MS3. I don't have one here, but basically
it's in our catalog.
It's in the catalog.
It's coming soon.
Yeah,
Almost there.
It's there. But basically what it is we control the production, and that's the great thing about it. It is a completely Magpul sling. All the hardware is ours. It's got a lot of new polymer hardware. The attachment point down at the ASAP or whatever somebody would hook into in the end plate of the weapon, and at the lockjaw system here is the same component. So it's great for us production-wise. We can meet demand now, and we can get the MS3 out there. So the sling, basically the concept is exactly the same. It's just our hardware, and that's the great thing about that. Some new additions, since again, this thing was really popular. We decided to make an RSA, the rail sling attachment, and you can see how fast I can go from single point to 2 point there. And this is kind of what I know everybody's been asking for this year. It's going to be cast metal. It's an awesome part. You can mount it in the top, the side up, the side down, or on the bottom, and obviously on the other side. So you got basically 8 positions that you can mount it into.
A lot of heavy duty options.
Yeah, a lot of heavy duty. Obviously, if you're running like laser systems or lights up here, and you want to mount it on the bottom, or you get that option with this piece. So it's a great addition to the MS2 and MS3 sling this year.
Yeah, one of the definite benefits to the MS3 is how light it is. The simplicity between the parts, they're the same, so they operate the same. So, and it can go in with our core fundamentals of, obviously reality, efficiency, and consistency. We've definitely taken the sling, and though this last year got us started and what we like, we've actually still said, hey, it's not really where we want it, and started making more improvements to it. And I think that's a great thing. It's simpler, it's lighter, it's faster, it's better.
Again, an unfair advantage.
As much as you can get. Yeah, I guess you would consider it single point optimized, but the option to get into further techniques with
the same old utility. I mean, when this thing first came out last year when we did the video, this is what I consider a direct action mode. This is where I'm going to roll all the time unless something non-life-threatening comes up. Okay, so I have that user ability to switch from shoulder to shoulder. If I find myself dropping behind a car and all of a sudden I'm looking at a gas tank through my sights, I have the ability to switch without adjusting buckles and changing my sling or actually relinquishing control of the weapon. So I want to have that ability all the time. You want to be ready for that time-of-life situation. Now, you ask probably, well, why the 2 point then? Well, if I got to climb a ship, climb a ladder, get on top of a house, climb a wall, go hands-on on a shooter, I have that quick, fast, accessibility to 2 point.
So even faster with your new attachment there.
Yeah, and the new attachment, it's actually easier to take off and get back into the single point mode. So I mean, it's super fast, and the MS2 is fast enough as it is. So
that's a real demonstration of how it is to go in single to double.
It's caveman simple.
Yeah.
Right on.
That's it.
All right, moving on.